A new tide overhauling India's shipping laws. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a critical development that is set to transform India's maritime landscape, the overhaul of our shipping laws. For too long, outdated regulations have hindered the growth and efficiency of our shipping sector. But with the introduction of key bills in Parliament, we are on the cusp of a new era. India's maritime history is rich, but our current legal framework, largely based on the Merchant Shipping Act of 1958, is no longer fit for the purpose. This outdated legislation has led to three things. One, complex procedures, hindering ease of doing business and discouraging investment. Two, limited participation, restricting ownership and restriction of Indian flagged vessels. Three, slow growth, hampering our ability to compete in the global maritime market. This overall is crucial to unlock the full potential of our maritime economy and strengthen our position in international trade. The proposed reforms, including the Merchant Shipping Bill 2024 and Coastal Shipping Bill 2024, address these challenges head on. Some key highlights include modernizing regulations, aligning Indian laws with international standards and best practices. Simplifying procedures means reducing bureaucratic hurdles and promoting ease of doing business. Expanding eligibility, i.e., allowing NRIs, OCIs, and LLPs to own and register Indian flagged vessels. Boosting coastal shipping, promoting efficient and sustainable movement of goods along our coastline. Next, enhancing safety and security, strengthening measures to protect vessels and the maritime environment. These changes will create a more conducive environment for investment, innovation, and growth in the shipping sector. The overall of shipping laws will have a far-reaching impact on India's economy, i.e., it will firstly increase trade and commerce, facilitating smoother and more efficient movement of goods. Two, create jobs and opportunities, stimulating growth in the maritime sector and related industries. Three, enhance competitiveness, making India a more attractive destination for shipping and logistics. Four, promote sustainable development, encouraging environmentally friendly practices in the maritime sector. By embracing three reforms, India can unlock the vast potential of its maritime resources and emerge as a leading player in the global shipping industry. The overall of India's shipping laws is a landmark step towards modernizing our maritime sector and driving economic growth. It's a testament of our commitment to creating a more efficient, competitive, and sustainable shipping industry. By working together, we can ensure that these reforms translate into tangible benefits of our nation and its people. Thank you.